In this tutorial, you will learn how to locate and share your referral link with new friends. Locate and share referral link. To locate your referral link, click on your user or profile icon. Click on the copy button to copy your referral link. You can share your referral link with your friends via WhatsApp or your favorite message app or email. Here is an example of when your friend uses your referral link. In this example, all your friend has to do is open an internet browser, copy and paste your referral link, and press enter to open a Me Wallet web page. Your friend will be invited to sign up. Your friend can enter his or her new username and email address, then enter a new password and reconfirm the password. He or she will need to tick the human verification box and answer the CAPTCHA. Then they can click on Sign Up to submit their registration. Your friend can then check his or her email inbox or spam folder for the activation link.